All right, I'm actually traveling out of the country. If you look, I'm in the airport. I'm waiting for my flight. I check my bag in. I check my bag in, and my cuff is inside my bag. So I had to this one. I had it touched me in my body. So I say I must do this video before I enter the plane, so that you can watch it. Some of us I sleep at night. They don't know what happened in the night. There is a particular American girl that Davido has. The girl claims that is for now is still a claim. The girl claims that Davido got her pregnant, and she has been posting a lot of things. She has posted the chat between she and Davido. She has posted pregnancy results. She has posted the transfer Davido did for her money. She has even posted Davido's phone number. Now, what I have to say, before I say what I want to say, I want you to first of all share this video. Let the video go viral, because I'm fed up with David. Davido is a Nigerian musician, as you know, all of us, we love him. He's a he's big superstar, blessed musician, famous, rich, wealthy, and the rest of them. But he lacks control. I don't know. I'm sorry to say, I might sound very offensive because I am fan of the 30BG. Now, I feel that if I'm going to say weigh in on this matter, I'm going to weigh in from the angle of Chioma as a woman. Not even just Chioma, but I'm going to weigh in the angle of a woman that is married to a man. As a man, no, I won't say any man is perfect. We are not perfect as men. But what I'm saying is that as a man, what you need to do as a man that is married is to respect your wife. Respect your wife. Don't go about and start giving girl the first one we say is mistake. The second one we say is another mistake. You cannot cause the third one a mistake. I feel that you are killing Chioma emotionally. How can you treat the girl like this? What if it's Chioma that is the ones that go and get pregnant for another man? We will use mouth and finish her. Now is David. Nigerians are being sentimental. Say, the girl, man, she know Davido is passing through a lot. Why did she go and keep the pregnancy? She did not do well. Well, she's the one that told Davido to put it inside without any protection. She is not the one that told him to put it. David, as a man, supposed to know that what he's doing is wrong. Since you are doing the wrong thing, why don't you protect yourself? You just lose guard. You go and put something inside, and then now you come. You are saying that the girl should take pill and this one that. I don't know. I'm looking at it from the angle of Chioma as a woman. How is that girl feeling? How will she even take it? The disgrace, the calls, her people will be telling her, I told you now, you say you want to be with David. Nah, this one, they will be telling her all sorts of things. What that girl is suffering now is what I am considering. I don't care what David is passing through. If they like, let them bombard him on Instagram or any network. I don't understand. I don't care. My own concern is Chioma as a woman. As a woman, what she's facing emotionally, even on the media, even from her family, from her friends that have won her against David. I am a man. I'm not perfect. I'm saying I'm not, but I at least try as much as you can when you are married to have self-control. How about that, Allah David? You are doing too much now. You go on a tour, you see a girl, the next thing you put something inside. Can't you hold your tie it, David, tie it. When you are leaving, before you climb the jet, tie it. And all you people that are claiming you are Davido friend, that are around Davido, all of you, David need to change all of you. Because if I'm a friend to David, and I know that my friend, anytime he go and put something, he will leave it inside. I will call him immediately. He stand up from the bed. I'll say, come, David, come. I know you. You like to leave it inside. Did you leave it inside? If he say, I say, go and buy a pill for the girl, or beg the girl to take something. I'm not advising that you should go and do it and be giving women a pill. Don't say I'm saying that, but I'm saying that you have you have the chance to even curtail this thing. Let's say you say it's a mistake. You have done the mistake. You have a chance to even curtail the mistake. But no, you careless. You feel every girl wants money. When they tell you they are pregnant, you give them money, they go money. Not every girl, oh. I don't know. And that girl, she's saying she has been with David since 2017. We don't know the kind of plan that girl came with. Because the plan the girl came with, she is, I think, because why is she releasing everything? The girl has been bombarding us since yesterday. So I don't know. You people that are friends of David, you need to wake up. If I'm Davido, I'll change all the friends around me because they are not guiding me. Look at the thing I apply now, it's on the media. How will Chioma take this thing? Even Davido father, I'm even pitying the man because the man have settled this, settled that, settled tortoise, settled rats, settled beans, settled rice. David is still adding more. You that you are emulating David, putting your, you can't tie your, hey, kudore buranku pa, dore buranku. Every time kuna sashi kai, David, David. Some of us are asleep. They didn't hear this thing happen. That's why I'm giving you as it's hot. So you need to give to others as it's hot. When you watch the video, you share it. Even as I'm trying to talk about what Davido is doing and how Chioma is feeling, I'm speaking from Chioma angle. Some people will still watch this video and still call me that I don't have sense. I agree, I don't have sense. I don't have sense, I agree. But I'm the spice creator. This one, you cannot take it away from me. Even the fact that my cap is still in my bag, I'm still giving you updates in the airport. If you like, at this point, Google me. If you like, don't Google me, that is your business.